In this video, I will be talking about the KontrolFreek's Performace thumbsticks. So I recently got it off Flipkart for a decent price of 700 rupees, which equates to about $10 US. Generally, these thumbsticks used to sell for $20 depending on the product, depending on the variation that you are going for. But I got it for 700 rupees, which is a decent price for these. It's still expensive at 700 rupees for some. If you're someone who is not into playing those first-person shooters or shooter games, then it might not be worth it for you. But I wanted to try these and I bought these. So these are built out of plastic and some very high quality rubber, and I liked it. It was a really difficult thing to get it out of this package, but I was finally able to get it off. So these just snap onto your controller and are going to give you some height, which is going to help you aim better. So I went with the combination in which the left thumbstick is a little lower than the right one, which is actually a decent combination if you want to go for shooting games. And this is my Xbox Series X controller. I am going to put these on it. It is actually really easy to put them on, as you can clearly see by yourself that you just need to put it on the thumbstick and just press down and it is going to mount. So it gives a really good feel. I have been using it for about 3-4 months now. I'm just doing a voiceover on the video that I recorded previously, and these look pretty good too. You can find these on KontrolFreek's website in a lot of variations, in a lot of different sizes. And these look really good. I have been using it for a bit now, as I mentioned, and these feel really nice. So if you're someone who use an Xbox or a PS4 controller, by the way, these are available for the PS4 controllers too. KontrolFreeks has been making it for a while now, and these are available for PS4 controllers too. So check them out. I will be leaving the link to it down in the video description. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.